Welcome to another video. Get ready to witness impressive accidents that defy logic, cars at high speed, dangerous curves, and moments of pure adrenaline.
I got him on camera! I got him on camera!
Video is locked.
Get infiltrated by Chinese spies, which happens all the time, right? Wouldn't you hide it away? Wouldn't you squirrel it away somewhere? Like, if you're doing the right thing, if you're being intelligent about it, wouldn't you? It essentially can't be public because it is in the interest of national security.
Oh my god. Are you fucking serious? I'm in a car accident.
Go!
What?
There you go.
What?
There you go. We heard at the same time.
I was in my lane.
I was in mine too.
No, I was
We
in
heard
my
at the
lane.
same time.
No, same time. I was in my lane. You hit
We
me.
heard at the same time.
No, I didn't march. I was in my lane. I was in my lane.
I got my camera on, so it don't matter.
I have my camera. Where is your car? Your insurance card. Hey!
No, you were on your lane.
Tell them we got in an accident. They hit our car. Get up. Let's pull up over to the side up here. You hit my car, and my car just alerted us and did the SOS thing. So it detected the signal and sent out an emergency alert. So let's pull up here, exchange insurance information.